Let's get started and create our own artist page with elasticStage. Click the blue New Page button to set up your artist page. If you're a record label or a management company, this is also where you can host all of your releases in one place. Let's name our page. For this example, I'll be using my band, LA Woman. Enter your artist or band name in the page name field. Get creative and customize your URL. You could use your artist name like elasticStage.com/LA Woman, or come up with something unique that represents your brand. The next step is to upload your images. For your profile image, use a square image of at least 400 by 400 pixels. This will serve as your profile picture, similar to what you'd see on social media. The next image we need to upload is the header image. The header image should be at least 2100 by 900 pixels. It can be larger, of course, and the platform will crop it to the required size. This will display at the top of your artist page. Let's set up your meta title. The meta title is what people will see when they Google you, or when you share a link on social media. Think of it as your first impression, to make it easier for potential fans to discover you. Make sure your meta title includes your artist name. For example, when someone searches for your band or artist name, they'll see this title, and it helps them quickly understand what your page is about. It's a part of the Open Graph metadata, which platforms like Facebook, X, and LinkedIn use to display your shared link properly. To make sure your meta title looks great on both search engines and social media, you can use a tool called Open Graph XYZ to see how your link will appear. Now let's move on to the meta description. The meta description is the text that is directly below the meta title. It gives people a brief overview of what to expect on your page. Think of it as a mini ad for your content. In your meta description, include your artist name and a clear, compelling description of your page's content. For example, the official LA Woman vinyl store for the UK-based indie pop trio, where you can buy their music on vinyl and CD. This helps fans and potential buyers quickly understand what your page offers and encourages them to click on your page. It is usually 2 to 3 lines on Google and therefore can't exceed 156 characters. The reason why your page name, which in most cases will be the artist name, should be in the meta title is that Google checks if your meta title and description actually exists on the web page you are referring to. The more words in the meta title and description can be found on the actual artist page, the higher Google will rank your search results. Once you submit your meta title and description, it can take a few weeks for Google to crawl it and reflect it in the search results. The next step is to add your bio. Use the bio section to describe yourself to your fans. Describe who you are, what type of music you make, and where you're from. Next is to link your social media accounts. Add your handle for your X account, formerly known as Twitter. Your post will appear directly on your page. Link your YouTube channel so your fans can explore your content. If you haven't already, create a YouTube playlist featuring your music videos, your live videos, or any cool content that you want to show your fans. In the playlist field, simply select your playlist from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You have now created your first artist page with elasticStage. In the next video, we'll be diving into how to set up your first release.